The final bit of the final rule, the sixth rule we need to remember for naming organic compounds is when we write the functional groups or substituents at the front of our name, okay, the front of the parent name, they have to be written in alphabetical order. Okay, so what do I mean by this? Well, let's have a look at this first molecule. First molecule, 4 carbons, it's going to be bute. It's got a chlorine group and a methyl group. Okay, methyl group, chlorine group. There isn't, none of these substituents change the suffix on the parent name, so it's just going to be butane. But now we have a chloro and a methyl, and you can see that the chloro, the C is before the alphabet compared to the M, so we are going to write the chloro substituent first. So they both have the number 2, so it's going to be 2-chloro, 2-methyl. If you had written it 2-methyl, 2-chloro, you would have been incorrect. Okay, so the next one here, let's have a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is going to be a hexane, and it has a fluoro and a chloro functional group. And because there are no other suffixes here, it's going to be called hexane as its parent name. Now, if we look at these two here, chloro and fluoro, chloro comes before fluoro in the alphabet. So we number this first. So 1, 2, 3. So even though the chloro has a higher number, it is going to be written first because we have to write it in alphabetical order. So we have 3 chloro, 1 fluoro, hexane. Okay, let's have a look at this last molecule. This last molecule is a bit busy. We have 3 carbons. It's going to be prop. We have this enoic acid here, so that, remember, that's the most important. So this is, it has a chlorine, a chloro group, and it has these bromine groups here. Now, this parent name for this is propanoic acid. Now, if we look down the bottom here, the chloro and the bromo, we ignore the priorities, and actually for the halogens, it's not important about which is more, they are not actually in priority order, because we're just going to number that when we actually write these out, we're going to write them in that the bromo is first because it comes in the alphabet first. Now remember, we name from a carboxylic acid, we start from the highest priority, carboxylic acid, carbon. So we start 1, 2, 3. And so because we're doing the bromines first, because they start with B instead of C, we're going to say 2, 3, dibromo, 2, chloro, propanoic acid. Okay, it looks kind of tricky, when we first look at them. But if you practice them, you will get better at this. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this has made you more confident with your chemistry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment about anything that you want to with this video or any questions you have. I'll see you later.